USAU stock analysis tomorrow and onward, Thursday. I'm answering whether this is a buy or not for me, so watch this 1-minute video till the end. I am the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made like this. It's taken me 5 years, but I have a track record to see what's working for me and what's not. This is such a beautiful call out. Now, maybe you cannot see this, but I need to bring it to the front. Let me show you the proof, especially this video when it was made like a day ago. It was like such a great call out, and it had actually pulled down and then gave me that shift and a double break. Such a beautiful, and turned out to be a very decent +3R. It's the outcome of it, right? Since we reached, I'm just looking to double down even more. So how is that going to look like? Well, ideally, let's go here 5 minutes. Well, only if I do see it pulling down inside this demand zone, there's definitely something to be taken higher from, but randomly buying, man, it's not going to be happening. So surely I will continue to keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.